How's it going, guys? So today what we're doing is showing you how to reset a check engine light without a scanner, without any device. The only thing you're gonna need, more than likely, is a pair of pliers, a pair of vice grips, in our case, a 10 mil wrench. And this scenario is just for if you're out somewhere, you're having a misfire problem, check engine light came on, now you can't start it, something's low power, you just want to reset it to get it back home or to get to a shop or to a parts store to fix your car. Okay, so we have a check engine light on. If you have a Chevy, this will be a service engine soon light. Either way, we're going to show you how to reset this right now. Okay, some cars like our BMW M5, when you go to low power, you can't drive it. The accelerator pedal barely works. You can barely even idle around. This will let you fix cars like that. A lot of cars do that, go into limp mode or safe mode. So on this one, you can see, Philip getting here, all you have to do on this one is have a 10 mil, loosen the negative battery post, loosen the cable up, and then you pick this up off here. A lot of guys just let it unhook for a while. Usually do the negative. If you don't have a little while, if you don't have a few minutes, you can actually take this off, hold this up in the air. We're just gonna have to do it because hold this up in the air, take another wrench and jumper it to the positive. That'll totally reset the car instantly. You don't have to wait, you don't have to do anything else. Then you hook it back up, and you tighten it back up. And that's gonna be it. Now, your best option, and like I said, if you're on the side of the road, you don't have the exact wrench, you could use pliers or vice grips or anything to get that off. Most cars have tool kits, either in the trunk lid or somewhere in the car. Before you have this problem, go locate a tool that you can do this with if you have to. This could very well save you a towing bill, could very well save your butt, especially if it's below freezing and you're stranded and your car's in limp mode. This will 100% fix it. That's gonna be it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see y'all very soon.